what's up YouTube? To remove the bearing on any 13B rotor, you're gonna need any type of round metal, whatever metal, as long as is the diameter of your bearing. I happen to have this one here. To be on the same side, on the safe side, if you want to use any type of round metal, all you have to make sure is 3 inches. Is the measure right here? It's 3 inches, 70 mils, so 370. That's the accurate. It should be less than 3/100. So make sure it's 3 inches. If you want to measure from here to here, it has to have some little space so you can hold it. So this metal right here, we have it laying around the shop. I did not make this one. I was measuring there, and then it happened to be the diameter. So let's go ahead and remove the bearing. I already removed this one. Let's remove the other one. Let me show you the process. Just want to show you the stuff you need. Or if you have one already out, you can reuse this one to place them in there and remove it. But sometimes when you're pressing it with the bench, you're pressing this one and then pushing that one out, and this one is getting on the same spot. So you're removing one and installing one at the same time. So you want to make sure you have one. So this one is the diameter is a little bit smaller than the bearing. So that's all you have to do. Let me pause it. Let me go back to the bench, and then let me show you how to remove it. Okay, right here we have the bench. It's like Harvard tools. I think it was like 150 or maybe even less. So this is the one we'll be using. We're gonna place the rotor in there. Always make sure, because what we're trying to achieve is remove the bearing. So remember the little groove I told you about? This groove is gonna have to come down, like the groove facing down. We're gonna place the rotor here. We're gonna push it from here, facing down, and this bearing is gonna come down. You place your rotor, give him some space there so you can push the bearing out. Make sure it's nice and flat, not moving. Center it down on your bench press. We're gonna use our Mickey Mouse tool. We're gonna place it right on top of the bearing, making sure it's only touching the bearing, not the actual rotor. So it should be around there. So you just can see. See, it's only barely touching the bearing, not the rotor itself. So what we have in there, we're gonna go ahead and use a little extension. So it's gonna go from here to here. We place them in here. Look, put them right in the middle, and we're gonna start taking them down. Now that one is secure, we're gonna start doing it, and then look how the bar is gonna start going down. Voila, here's the bearing. That's how you remove the bearings on any 13B rotor. Thanks for watching.